The Polar Store is the ultimate solar-powered cold storage solution, designed for efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. A cold chain solution for cooling and freezing of goods engineered with a solar roof, a solar backup system, and a battery bank. The Polar Store has been introduced to the Nigerian market by the RenewableTechNigeria consortium, supported by the Netherlands government. The technology was shipped into Nigeria and taken to the demo site at the Lagos Energy Academy in January 2025. An installation was embarked upon by the team from SOSAE and independent energy members of the consortium. The Polar Store offers flexible sizing options of 10 feet, 20 feet, and 40 feet, catering to both compact and large-scale storage needs. The system operates within a temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +45 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for various applications, including medicine and pharmaceuticals, food storage and distribution, and environmental product testing. Each unit can be custom-made to suit customers' needs and can be constructed as a modular solution. The installed solution includes 3 8 kVA inverters and operates as a solar and battery backup system. It features 48 units of 450-watt solar photovoltaic panels, generating a peak output of 21,600 watts from the sun, giving an average of 130 kilowatt-hour of energy a day, offering a storage capacity ranging from 38 kilowatt-hour to 210 kilowatt-hour for uninterrupted power supply. This system features online remote temperature monitoring for real-time updates, optimal internal shelving for organized storage, and support legs for dock loading or stability on uneven grounds. As part of the project, Nigerian technicians and engineers receive specialized training to install and maintain Polar Store units, ensuring long-term sustainability and reliability for customers across the country. Installing this system in Lagos has opened the doors for collaboration with individuals, companies, and institutions to take advantage and adopt cutting-edge cold storage solutions, accelerating the growth of solar hybrid technology in the Nigerian market. Visit RenewableTechNigeria.Africa to learn more about becoming a demonstration partner or participating in our training programs.